Yamaha has offered another exciting motorcycle in its lower cc segment, the PG1, with the tagline, "Leave it all behind." I don't think we can leave other motorcycles behind with its 115cc engine displacement, pero sigurado kung maiiwan ang stress mo sa bahay pag ito ang sinakyan mo. Yamaha named it PG1, or short for Playful Gear 1. Well, how thoughtful of Yamaha that they want us to have fun with this motorcycle. But when you think about it, aren't all motorcycles fun? Anong pinagkakaiba nito? Ang video na to ay hindi isang review, kundi sagot sa tatlong mga katanungan. Is it fun? Is it economical? Is it fast enough? Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang idea o bersyon ng kasiyahan. Hindi lang sa pagmumotor, pero sa lahat ng bagay. May mga tao na gusto ay samurai, at mayroon naman na ang gusto ay itak. Meron ding may gusto sa palakol, yung iba naman ay electric jigsaw. Pero ang motor na to ay mahahalin tulad ko sa isang maliit na Army Swiss knife. It can't do all the big things na kayang gawin ng mga motor ngayon. Pero, it can do the little things that will put a smile in your face. Madali siyang gamitin, magaan, pwedeng pang araw-araw, pwedeng gamitin pang pasok sa trabaho, at madaling isingit sa traffic. Pwede ding pang tambay sa cafe while you sip your favorite coffee. Then hit your local trail after that boost of caffeine. Yes, it can go off-road, and is surprisingly capable at that. Hayaan ko yung panoorin ang short trail ko sa motor na to, and you be the judge.
Lason din na digwa di. At sige. Salamat. Hanap nga ako ng mabato eh. Tinuwan ako ni tatay ng madaling daan. Super adventure. Uy, nope, basa. Uwi muna ako saglit, and then saka natin ituloy yung laking ibon dun yung adventure natin. Wow, grabe yung terrain. So sobrang pang adventure to. Oh, big rocks, big rocks. Wait, ay shucks, na fourth gear ko pa. Sanay kasi ako sa one down for up. Big rocks. Ahon. Daanan ng kalabaw to, guys. Wala akong dadaanan dito. Anong test pa ba kailangan nyo dito sa PG1, ha? Ano? Hindi pa ba sapat to? Hindi pa ba sapat to? Oh dang, a river crossing. Woo! Damn. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Sana hindi malalim. Temp lang ako doon kung cigarette yung dala ko. mga ahon na to. Sobrang mabato. Pang ano na to eh. Pang enduro na to.
Well, that sums my idea of fun. An all-rounder, pang-pasok, pang-tambay, pang-weekend ride, at pang-off-road, and most importantly, doing it with a style. While in most cases, having fun always comes with a price, we are here to test if fun can equate to being economical. Matipid ba si PG1? Sa nagtataas ang presyo ng gasolina ay hindi talaga malayo na maghanap tayo ng mas matipid na motor, lalo na't ginagamit natin to pang araw-araw. Sa test na to ay ginamit natin ang PG1 sa off-road and on-road, pero mind you, walwal mode ang on-road nito, as in always naka full throttle since nasa highway tayo.
Ha?
Here's the second full tank para makuha natin ang exact consumption ng Yamaha PG1. Inulan pa ako dito pero para sa inyo, tuloy lang. Yung current odo natin dito is 213. So from previous na 108, nakapag-travel tayo ng 105 kilometers in total. At ang pangalawang full tank natin ay nasa 160 pesos. And here's the computation. With mixed on-road and off-road, tapos walwal mode pa, we got 40.54 kilometers per liter. That is a good number para sa walwal mode. Nireview ko rin dati ang Bergman Street 125 and I got 39 kilometers per liter para sa walwal mode doon. And I'm sure mas gaganda pa ang numbers mo dito if chill ride lang yung gagawin mo. Now for the last part, is it fast enough? Take note that this motorcycle is not built for speed. Hanggang 4th gear lang po to and only has 115cc engine displacement. Kaya may enough sa tanong natin. Sakto lang ba ang bilis nito para sa mga highways natin? Kasi hindi lang po overspeeding ang delikado sa highway. Delikado din po pag below minimum speed limit ang takbo mo. Simulan po natin sa acceleration test.
Okay, acceleration test tayo.
Nagminor na ako sa part na to, kaya hindi ko maipapakita sa inyo ang 80 kilometers per hour na timestamp. But I will show you something else instead. Watch the next video. Binabaan ko ng volume dito kasi masyado nang malakas ang wind noise. I'm not sure if it's clear enough sa screen nyo, pero I'm going at around 100 to 105 kilometers per hour dito. At hindi na siya tumataas pa. And mind you, I'm 85 kilograms po. Hindi ko na-advise na you maintain this kind of speed, although this is within speed limit naman sa mga highway. But ramdam mo yung makina is struggling eh. I think the sweet spot sa highway is around 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. You can go over 85. And, you know, the engine still performs really good. Pero past the 85 mark, you can now feel the engine starting to vibrate a lot. Nanghihingi na siya na i-cambium pa. But, of course, until 4th gear lang tayo, so we're stuck with that. But acceleration-wise, overtaking, pag nasa city ka, it's really good enough. So, does the PG1 answer all 3 questions? Well, like I've said earlier in the video, we have our own version of things, diba? Meron tayong sariling version ng kasiyahan. And for me personally, I can say yes to all 3. I may be biased since I own this motorcycle. I had an R3 and an Aerox ABS at one point. Sold them already. Because as we grow old, the idea of fun changes as well. Minsan, kailangan mong tumahak ng daan na hindi nakasanayan ng iba. And this is the perfect little adventure bike for me. Marami akong natutuklasang iba pang daan, napupuntahang lugar na hindi ko dati napupuntahan. malayo sa maingay na kalsada at mas malapit sa payapang kapaligiran. Bonus na lang na matipid siya at kayang mag-highway speed, but the styling itself, head turner din ang motor na to. I don't know, maybe bago lang talaga sa paningin ng taong motor na to, but I think Yamaha did a good job and nailed the neo-classic look of this motorcycle. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, and if you did, please consider subscribing, like the video and share it, and don't forget to comment down below if you have questions or suggestions sa next video ng Yamaha PG1. And this is Ralph of Revit Ralph with the Yamaha Playful Gear 1. Until next time.